Hello, friend. Do you ever buy the packets of gravy mix? Do you look at them? You don't really know if they're going to be good or how to make them. Well, today we're going to help you out. Our family's going to do a taste test. I bought two gravies that I'm reasonably satisfied with the ingredients. It's best to make your own homemade, but you can't always do that. And sometimes that's a little bit tricky to get that just right. So today we're going to try two products that I bought at Walmart, Simply Organic and the Kinders. I actually have a video I can tag either up in the iCards or down in the description box of how to make a packet of gravy, but I'm going to show you how I heated up the Kinders. And honestly, that's all you do. You just pour it in the pan and heat it up. So our family is going to taste test this. They are both the same heat level. They've both been heated at the same time. And that's important to note because one of them kind of congealed a little bit more than the other. So let's have the taste test. I went to Walmart and I chose two gravies. Okay.
And you're not going to tell us which one is which, right?
No, you don't know if that one's that one or that one's that. You don't know. Okay. So.
I think I know.
Do you?
I think so too.
Okay.
So let's say what we think and then we'll see if we're right. Well, I think this one is the one in the box.
No, I think this one's the one in the package.
Okay, let's show them pictures.
No, I think this is the box. I mean, that's the box and this is the package.
Here, let's get pictures.
Because this looks like something that would come in a package.
Initial thoughts. I mean, look, when you're sitting at the Thanksgiving table, you're not going to have all this critiquing, but
we're doing the critiquing for them.
Okay, yes.
That way they know whether to pick the Simply Organic or the Kinders.
Yes. So, and I just feel like there are a few ingredients that, you have to pick your battles.
Right.
Okay. I think these are better options than just the cheapo packets. Mm-hmm. Okay. Now, and again, I debated making maybe some instant mashed potatoes or rice or something, but that might skew the taste test. Okay. We're going to do this together.
So, first thing I see is, I don't know which one is which, but this one is more liquidy because it settled in the bottom of the bowl.
That's right. He's right.
And then the one seems more pasty.
That's the one you're talking
or
about.
Jello-y.
You could.
Yeah. I don't know.
Okay.
It's almost like the way it's sitting there is almost like some type of an applesauce.
Okay. Well, I'm going to taste the one that's sitting there. And you're looking for flavor. I'm not.
Let's do that.
Yeah. I'll taste the same one.
I think it needs some salt, but definitely think it needs some salt.
Yeah, it needs something.
You could put a splash of Worcestershire sauce. Where's your sister? Where's your sister's sauce?
Where's your sister's sauce?
Okay, that needs salt. That needs salt. It's not bad. It just needs doctoring a little bit.
It's not bad. I hope the other one's better. I mean, I would eat it if that's what was put in front of me, but
you could pour it on your mashed potatoes and you wouldn't know the difference because you'd be salting that too. Okay. All right, here's the other one. Oh, I'm hot from cooking.
I need something to cleanse my palate.
You were told to bring your drink to the tasting table. Missy, can you get his drink, please? He didn't follow the tasting table directions.
I didn't get that memo.
It's right over there by the water thing.
No,
it's by his chair.
I mean, I'm thinking like a little wafer or something, to cleanse your mouth.
Not any wafers.
What's water supposed to do?
Just drink water. Okay, I want to eat this before it gets cold. Okay, here's the other one.
But she didn't like the first one. She didn't eat it all.
Why didn't you eat it all?
Because I didn't like it.
You didn't like it? Okay. Oh, that's tasty. Flavorsome.
Has like a vinegar.
Vinegar?
That's what I taste. I taste like a vinegar. Like a hint of vinegar.
It's different.
Yeah.
You don't like it either, do you? You don't like either one of them.
I like the stiffer one.
I think the first one was better than that one. I don't love it, but if it was sitting in front of me, I'd eat it.
I don't love either one of them, do you?
Nope, I don't.
And I like gravy.
I was trying to find people a healthier option.
But I like the thicker one better of the two.
I think if you put it on mashed potatoes, I'll eat it. Like if you just if it's sitting there, I'll eat it. I'll eat anything. But if I
No,
got
you
to
won't.
pick,
You won't eat mushrooms.
Or shrimps.
I have 3 foods that I don't have to eat,
That's
and those
true.
are on my foods.
Tell me.
I think this one's the box and that one's the package.
And what do you think?
I think the thinner one was the box, and
That's
the stiffer
correct.
one.
Oh man.
You're correct, sir.
The stiffer
So,
one.
the stiffer one was this package, Simply Organic Brown Gravy. The first ingredient is cornstarch, and that's why it's going to be stiffer,
Yeah.
thicker. You know what I like about this? It says directions for poutine gravy, and we love to eat poutine.
Okay.
And if you had this on poutine, you would eat it, right? That's,
Well, there's a bunch of different flavors on
Yeah,
it.
but
Canadian
it's,
food.
when you're eating it by itself, you're not going to notice
most
as
people
much
don't
as your
sit
taste
down and
testing.
eat a taste test of gravy, but you're
Okay.
special. And then this one is turkey bone broth with sea salt and herbs. Now that did need some doctoring, salt and such, but turkey bone broth,
So
second
you just
ingredient.
made it. You just made it right to
Oh,
the
of course,
instructions.
sure.
Okay.
And the second ingredient's cornstarch, third one's sugar. You said it felt like, tasted like some vinegar. Oh, it does have vinegar. Oh my word, you need to be a professional taste tester.
I told you that was the first thing that hit my tongue was like vinegar. That was the first thing I tasted was a
Look
vinegar.
at you.
I ain't so dumb.
You are not. Look at you. Okay, well, I'll put the cost of these on the screen, but the consensus is y'all didn't love either one of
I
them.
didn't love either one of them. The one that was thicker. This one I liked better.
If you doctor it up a little bit, which
Yeah.
kind of defeats the purpose, but